As the tech world eagerly awaits the official unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6, fresh leaks have surfaced that shed light on one of the most talked-about features of Samsung's foldable flagship, S Pen support. According to a prominent leaker, Samsung is not only introducing a brand new S Pen designed specifically for the Galaxy Z Fold7, but it's also ensuring backward compatibility with the S Pen from the Galaxy Z Fold6. This revelation could have major implications for both current Fold users and those considering an upgrade. A foldable future with stylus support. Samsung has long been a pioneer in the foldable smartphone market, and the Galaxy Z Fold series has consistently pushed the boundaries of mobile innovation. One of the standout features of recent Fold models has been S Pen support, allowing users to take notes, sketch, and navigate with precision on the expansive foldable display. However, rumors had been swirling that the Galaxy Z Fold7 might abandon this beloved feature. Early reports suggested that Samsung was planning to remove the S Pen digitizer, the component that enables stylus input, in order to make the device thinner and more streamlined. This move, while potentially improving portability, raised concerns among power users who rely on the S Pen for productivity and creativity. A new S Pen without a digitizer? In a surprising turn of events, new leaks have revealed that Samsung has developed a completely redesigned S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold7. Unlike previous versions, this new stylus reportedly does not require a dedicated digitizer to function. This innovation could allow Samsung to maintain a slim profile for the Fold7 while still offering stylus support, a win-win for design and functionality. While Samsung has yet to confirm these details officially, the leak suggests that the company has found a way to bypass the need for traditional digitizer hardware. If true, this could mark a significant advancement in stylus technology and set a new standard for foldable devices. Backward compatibility, a pleasant surprise. Perhaps even more intriguing is the claim that the Galaxy Z Fold7 will also support the S Pen from the Galaxy Z Fold6. This backward compatibility is unexpected, especially given the rumored removal of the digitizer. It remains unclear how Samsung has achieved this technical feat, but it's a welcome development for users who already own the older stylus. According to the leaker, there may be a difference in latency between the two stylus generations, suggesting that the new S Pen will offer a more responsive experience. However, no specific details have been provided yet on how noticeable this latency difference will be in real-world use. Third-party styluses hit the market early. Adding fuel to the fire, third-party sellers have already begun listing Galaxy Z Fold7 compatible S Pens on Amazon. These styluses are priced between $15.99 and $17.99, offering a budget-friendly alternative to Samsung's official accessory, which is rumored to retail for $99. Images of these third-party styluses show sleek, minimalist designs that mimic the look and feel of Samsung's own S Pen. While they may not offer the same level of precision or features, they provide an accessible entry point for users who want to take advantage of stylus functionality without breaking the bank. What this means for Galaxy Z Fold users. If these leaks prove accurate, Samsung's approach to S Pen support with the Galaxy Z Fold7 could be a game-changer. By offering a new, digitizer-free stylus while maintaining compatibility with older models, Samsung is demonstrating a commitment to user flexibility and long-term value. This strategy could also help ease the transition for existing Fold users who are considering an upgrade. Instead of having to invest in a new stylus, they can continue using their current one, at least until they're ready to explore the benefits of the new model.